In this video, I will show you how to code the colors of the rainbow. Welcome to my channel. First, I search an image with the colors of the rainbow. I like this one because the last color is similar to the first one, which will give a smooth transition. I use the sniping tool and Microsoft Picture Manager as they are very simple to use. I saved the image and edited it to only have the color I wanted in the top and in its sides. The height is not important. I made sure the picture's width is around 300 pixels. To code, I use processing, which is free. The current version is the 4.2. This simple code does the following. Two variables are created, one to store an image and the other to be used in a cycle. Then, the size of a window is defined. The width of the window must match the width of the image previously saved. The image is loaded to a variable. The draw function will only run once. Then, the image is presented in the window, and for every pixel in its width, the corresponding red, green and blue values are extracted. Finally, the extracted values are printed to the console. Using the keys Ctrl+C, I copied the values and pasted them in Excel. As you can see, the color values are separated by an hyphen, which help to process them. My Excel is in Portuguese, so I will do a direct translation of the steps. Go to the Data tab, Text to Columns, check Delimited, Next, only check Other, write Hyphen, Next, check General, click Finish. Now we have the three color values separated. I named the columns and saved the file just to be safe. I added a dispersion graphic, then a new column for the X values. In each series of the dispersion graphic were the values for each color. I changed the color of the markers to match the color of the values. Adding the initial image facilitated the visual understanding. Basically, the color progression is divided in 6 parts. In each part there is only one color changing, either increasing or decreasing. As these are 8-bit colors, the maximum value is of 255. And the minimum is 0. The initial state is red at 255 and blue and green approximately at 0. Then green increases, red decreases, blue increases, green decreases, red increases and finally blue decreases. The final code of the rainbow will be presented. It does the following. The initial color values are defined as well as the initial state and how many colors to pass between each iteration. Then, a square window of pixel is defined just to show the color transition. The draw function will run continuously and in each iteration it will show a color. Then, different if cycles are defined for each state. In each one, the corresponding color is increased or decreased, and the condition is checked to pass to the next state. This is the final result. I hope you have enjoyed it. If so, click the like button and think about subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.